A chef from Dubai taught me this chicken recipe that surprised everyone. For this recipe, we're going to need 2 chicken breasts. I'm going to start by poking holes into them with the help of a fork. Let me know how you make fried chicken at home. I'd love to learn your recipe. In a container, I'm going to put a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 egg, and I'm going to beat it well until everything is completely mixed. Now, I'm going to dip the chicken breasts into this mixture. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching us from so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes out to Kamala Vadavalu from Singapore. I'm glad that you're enjoying our recipes. And we're going to let it marinate for 15 minutes. Now I'm going to put some Doritos inside a plastic bag, and I'm going to press it like this so it crumbles completely. We're going to have to use a kitchen hammer to help this process. Make this recipe at home and then come back here to tell me what you think. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. Now I'm going to roll the chicken fillets in the Doritos crumbs to bread them. I'm going to roll them well on both sides. Once that's done, I'm going to put the chicken in a pot with hot oil and let it fry. When one side is done, I'll turn it to the other side. And our breaded chicken is already ready. Look at how delicious it is! I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in our next video. Ciao!